The new features in iOS 26 look very appealing, but many users have encountered various issues after trying it, such as rapid battery drain, app crashes, sluggish performance, and even overheating. It's truly a love-hate experience. In this video, I'll take you through the main shortcomings of iOS 26 beta to help you decide whether it's worth upgrading. 1. Excessive battery drain and overheating. Since iOS 26 has yet to fully optimize new features and background activities, combined with the high-performance demands of effects like liquid glass and animations, especially on older models like iPhone 11 Pro and 12 Pro, battery life has noticeably decreased. Many users also report that their phones overheat even when idle or charging. 2. App crashes and functional issues. Some apps and games frequently crash or malfunction after upgrading, mainly because developers have not yet adapted their apps to iOS 26's new APIs, causing third-party apps to become unresponsive or crash. 3. Performance lag. Users have noticed less smooth operation and slower app launch speeds after upgrading, leading to an overall decline in performance. Although this is common during beta testing, it remains a significant drawback for users who expect a smooth experience. 4. Liquid glass style affects readability in certain scenarios. The new liquid glass design looks visually appealing, but some users have reported unclear text and impaired viewing experience. This can be improved by switching to regular or dark mode. The steps are: go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, enable Reduce Transparency. This reduces the transparency effect and significantly improves the visibility of the control center. Similar to the look in iOS 18, Apple is gradually working to optimize these issues. If you're not a developer, tech enthusiast, or don't have a spare iPhone for testing, it's recommended to hold off upgrading your daily driver to iOS 26 beta and wait for the official release for a more stable experience. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.